विसा उपरांत परत येवकार. गोंयची एक खेळ संस्था गोंय बुद्धीबळ संघटना 40व्या वर्सांत 23 डिसेंबराक पावल घालता. त्या दिसा पणजेच्या इन्स्टिट्यूट मिनेझीस ब्रागांझा सभाघरांत खासा कार्यावळ आसा म्हण म्हायती आमदार निलेश काब्रालान दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान निलेश परवार.
On 22nd December, we are going to complete 40 years as a chess association. And the reason of celebration is very simple. It's because chess is the only game in Goa where we have 12 talukas which are very well functioning. We have associations in all 12 talukas where I think this is one of the only games where the chess is active in all 12 talukas. We have a proper representation along with the president, secretary, treasurer in all these talukas where this game we want to take it to a different level. As chess is known world over. खंय तरी भुरग्यांचे जे आपणाचे खंय तरी कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन पावर, खंय तरी आपणाचे ब्रेन डेव्हलपमेंट जे जाता, म्हाका चेस इज व्हेरी इन्स्ट्रुमेंटल इन टेकिंग दॅट गेम फॉरवर्ड. आज जशें हांवें सांगलां की 40th एनिवर्सरी आमचो ऑनरेबल CM आमचे वांगडा आसतलो आनी वी आर हॅविंग द फंक्शन and the basis of the function I would like to share with everybody. First of all, after I came as a president of the association, I tried कि chess should go to schools in the official function where our central chess association members also will be coming to Goa, and we will apprise them that what Goa is doing for the benefit of these chess players. Not only benefit of the chess players, but also we will tell them that Goa is such a place that we can develop all-round development of a child. And I, in this medium, through your medium, I would request all the parents of the chess players to really sincerely take them and see that they develop and have a lot of grandmasters in Goa.
The association is going to celebrate 40th year. 1978, 22nd December, we have started our association 39 years back. Now we are entering into 40th year.